Good morning. Welcome to the Art Money Talk. My name is Mo. In the next 12 months, I'll be making a video every single day, Monday to Saturday, before I get out of my bed. In those videos, I would like to answer all your questions about art and money. I source my questions on Quora, I'm in different Facebook groups. Also, we have our own Instagram with over 50,000 followers. But if you have any question, no matter if you're a mid-career artist, emerging artist or art student, just send your questions to me. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And I promise I'll do my best. Well, you may ask, why are you doing this? Sometimes I wonder as well. I feel quite crazy right now, like I'm in my bed, I'm recording a video, and I'll be making that video every single day, like for a year. That's a big commitment. I'm doing this because I really enjoy helping people. I really enjoy helping artists. And there's nothing more frustrating for me to watch creative people struggle with money. It's 2018, there are so many ways to earn money, to live a comfortable life. You don't have to be a starving artist to be a better artist. You can send your kids to school, pay for the mortgage. At the same time, you can give back to your community, make a big impact in the world. You can do all of that. When I was young, I didn't know all of this. So I had a chance to go to fine art school, but I didn't. Because I didn't want to live a poor, starving, struggling lifestyle. I want to live wealthy, comfortable. I want to be able to take care of my family. I had so much dreams. I want to see the world. And I chose a more lucrative side of the creative industry. I went into filmmaking. I did 4 years in film production. Apart from that, I did 1 year in advertisement design, 5 years in linguistics. After that, I did 1 year in the Department of Art History and 1 year in European law. Last year, I spent 1 year doing my MBA, that is Master in Business Administration. I would like to use all what I have learned in the past 13, 14 years, give my knowledge to you so that you can live a better life, have more success in your artistic career, be more successful in your art venture. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. All right, that's it for today. See you in the next video.